Hi everyone, I'm Johnny from DTNO.1. It's good to see you all again. Another big news from DTNO.1 is coming along. DTNO.1 and Tuya Smart, which is the well-known global IoT development platform service provider, signed a cooperation agreement recently. DTNO.1 smartwatches will be officially supported by the Tuya Smart IoT technology, which has helped many companies set up IoT platforms and is inclusive of so many appliances that it provides perfect smart home solutions. In the near future, DTNO.1 smartwatches can be used to control any appliances or devices at your home. Here is a video clip to display the real scenario that a DTNO.1 smartwatch takes control of your home. Let's take a look. Wow, what do you think? Isn't it amazing when you can control everything at your place? However, this futuristic feature is still under construction. We believe that these features will be equipped on the mass production of DTNO.1 soon. Don't forget, DTNO.1 always wants to win your hearts with good products. Okay, I'm Johnny. Thank you for watching. Have a good day until the next one. I'll catch you later.